guys, this is Jeremiah Rios, and it's snowing, and it's the first snowstorm of 2024, and I'm enjoying the snow. This is the white winter snow, and it's amazing, and I'm gonna pick it up, and it's snowing, yo! Yeah, it's snowing! Alright, yo! Woo! Woohoo! It's cold, but I'm getting used to the cold because I like winter. You know, one of my favorite seasons. I like fall, or like summer, like all the seasons. You know, spring as well. So, hope everyone's enjoying amazing day. It's been amazing. So today is the first Saturday of 2024, January 6th, 2024. You know, 2024 is going pretty amazing so far, but I'm hoping it stays this way. So make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit those notifications bell if you're new to my channel. Share with all your friends, and please follow me on all of my social medias, guys. God bless you all, and please hang out with friends and families. It's important to stay connect as a family, spend some quality time together, and have that communication with one another. And yeah, guys, see you guys later, and peace out. Bye bye.